Hello dear viewers, welcome to Techno World UK. This is Samdani. Today I am going to present WAHL cordless hair clipper and WAHL GroomEase 100 series clipper. Please don't go anywhere, the unboxing of this WAHL cordless hair clipper is on the way. So just stay tuned and keep watching. Smooth hair cutting, you can use WAHL cordless or with cord hair clipper. It's got 60-minute run time, rechargeable batteries, washable blades, and different sizes of cutting length. Did you know WAHL uses high precision grinding technology, providing a superior cutting performance for you? The finer the teeth, the finer the quality. WAHL precision ground versus competition stamped. Define your style with the cord or cordless hair clipper, which allows total control without a restricting cord. If the power runs low, simply plug into the mains and carry on clipping. The high carbon steel blades are precision ground to stay sharper for longer. The blades are washable and detachable for easy cleaning. The kit features 11 attachment combs that provide a wide range of cutting length, including a half-grade comb to help with close cutting. Economic in decision with a gloss black finish, the cordless hair clipper is a stylish solution to your grooming needs. And with a full range runtime of 60 minutes, styling can be achieved quickly and easily. It contains cordless clipper, scissors, barber combs, blades, oil and cleaning brush, 11 guide combs, number 1.5 mm to 25 mm, left and right ear tapper. It has a beautiful shape and a blade guard to keep it safe. Blades. Let's explore more. You can see the charger, the blade guard and the hair clipper, one scissor so far, and the different cutting lengths in one bag. Some warnings for use and an user manual. To visit or buy, please go to my description box. You will get a link there which directs you to this product, and you can browse anything else as well. If you like my channel, please subscribe it, and likes, comments will be highly appreciated, as your encouragement will be more encouraging for me to show you for further technologies to share. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye for now.